Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your University of Washington account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type washington.edu and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of University of Washington. You can scroll down to look at all the facilities provided, but right now we only want to log in. At the top right, you will find something like quick links. Simply click on it. A sidebar will open up, which will give you lots of features like calendar, directories, libraries, and etc. But for now, we simply want to click on MyUW button right here. It's gonna redirect you to the sign-in page where you will need to enter your UWNet ID and password. In case you forgot your password, click on this button right here and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. Now simply enter your credentials. If everything is okay, simply hit on the sign in button right here and then you will be able to log in to your University of Washington account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to University of Washington. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.